This 2026 KZ Connect Mini 191 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 22 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 5, LP detector, leveling jacks, microwave, awning, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, oven, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 KZ Connect Mini 191 BHK is 4,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.